Unlock the power to control exactly who can do what on your WordPress site. Managing user roles and permissions in WordPress is crucial for security and efficiency. Especially if you have multiple people working on your website, let's dive into how to do it effectively. First, log in to your WordPress administrator dashboard, navigate to Users in the left-hand menu, and then click on All Users. This screen shows you a list of everyone who currently has access to your site. To add a new user, simply click the Add New button at the top of the page. You'll then see a form to fill out. You need to provide a username, an email address, and you can choose to fill in other details like first name and last name. The most important part here is the role. Click on the Role drop-down menu. WordPress comes with several built-in roles, each with different levels of access. The administrator role has complete control over everything. Editors can manage all content. Authors can publish and manage their own posts. Contributors can write posts, but need an editor to publish, and subscribers can only manage their own profiles. Once you've filled in the user's details and selected their role, click Add New User. You can then invite them to create their password through the email you provided. You can also change the role of an existing user at any time. Simply go back to the All Users screen, click on the username you want to edit, and then scroll down to find the role drop-down to make your changes and update the profile. By carefully assigning these roles, you ensure that users only have access to the functionalities and content they need, bolstering your site's security and keeping your administration organized. Mastering user permissions is a key step to a well-managed WordPress website.